Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable file versioning on Mega account. So first you're going to open the Mega app. Then next you're going to click on the menu section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again you're going to click on file management. Then as you can see, there's the file versioning option. It's turned off. So you're going to turn it on. So what this does is it's going to allow you to prevent your contacts from creating new versions in shared folders. So as you can see, if you turn it off, the current version will be replaced with the new version once the file is updated. So that's how it basically works. You guys could find this app in the App Store or Play Store as I've been mentioning it. Make sure to also check our other videos that we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.